Welcome to the Hydro Garden video on the LUMii MAXii Reflector. It's a lightweight and simple to use Dutch barn style reflector. Unlike other reflectors on the market, the LUMii MAXii shade features an E40 lamp holder which can adjust to fit all lamp types. All earth requirements are incorporated into the lamp holder itself, which means there are no need for any other components in the actual lamp holder. The unique feature of this reflector is that you can use a LUMii HID to CFL converter kit and actually convert the IEC to a conventional power supply. Alongside this, the lamp holder will actually take the weight of a CFL lamp that you can actually adjust the bracket, like so, up and down, to actually make space for the CFL. The main advantage of using a LUMii HID to CFL converter kit is that you can obviously use the CFL for vegetative growth, and then when you're into flowering, remove the CFL and the converter kit and plug the IEC lead into a LUMii ballast to continue flowering. The LUMii MAXii shade comes as a complete reflector set and comes with hanging hooks here, as you see. The shade itself is lightweight and features dimples for optimum reflection. Has a unique adjustable lamp holder which allows you to use it with CFLs or HPS lamps. The reflector itself also comes with a 4 metre IEC cord set and is suitable for lamps up to 600 watt size. Thank you for watching the Hydro Garden video on the LUMii MAXii Reflector. Please stay tuned on our channel for more upcoming instructional videos.